This is how you can move apps on your Android phone. So if you are on the home screen and you want to move the apps around, what you can do is, for example, grab an icon like I have Facebook in here. I can grab it, but I can right away move it in here, right? Because if you just hold down on it and lift your finger, you get some additional options. But if you hold down on it and don't lift your finger like this, you can move it and move it to other place you want. So for example, in here, and that's nice because you can reorganize it and you can put it to other pages as well. And it's really nice. Keep in mind, we can always swipe up like this to access the grid of every app on this phone. And let's say that I grab another app like the messages in here. I can move it and hold down on it and reorganize it and move its place within the app drawer. But I can also go to the top of the screen and this moves us to the home screen like that, and I can place it wherever I want. So that's the whole point. You just grab and hold the icons and move them around, and you can kind of like move them between the different worlds, right? Like you can move them around in here, or move them to the home screen, or move them in between the pages of the home screen. So once you figure out what you want, then it's really easy to make that work and make it happen. So subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.